1. What mechanism is used by most inkjet printers to push ink onto the paper? A. Electrostatic discharge. B. Gravity. C. Air pressure. D. Electroconductive plates. Answers: D. Most inkjet printers use electroconductive plates to push the ink onto the paper. 2. With a laser printer, what creates the image on the photosensitive drum? A. Primary corona. B. Laser imaging unit. C. Transfer corona. D. Toner. Answers: B. The laser imaging unit creates an image on the photosensitive drum. 3. What is the proper order of the laser printing process? A. Process, clean, charge, expose, develop, transfer, and fuse. B. Process, charge, expose, develop, transfer, fuse, and clean. C. Clean, expose, develop, transfer, process, fuse, and charge. D. Clean, charge, expose, process, develop, fuse, and transfer. Answers: B. Process, charge, expose, develop, transfer, fuse, and clean is the proper process. 4. On a dot matrix printer, what physically strikes the ribbon to form an image? A. Electromagnets. B. Print wires. C. Character wheel. D. Print hammers. Answers: B. Print wires physically strike the ribbon in dot matrix printers. 5. Which of these items are considered to be dot matrix printer consumables? Select all that apply. A. Drive motor. B. Paper. C. Flywheel. D. Ribbon. Answers: B, D. Both paper and ribbons are considered dot matrix printer consumables. 6. What part must be vacuumed or replaced periodically to prevent damage caused by the action of the corona? A. The rubber rollers. B. The ozone filter. C. The transfer filter. D. The cleaning blade. Answers: B. The ozone filter should be periodically vacuumed or changed. 7. Which one of the following port types do most printers support? APS/2B USB-C infrared DRS-232. Answers: B. You'll find almost all non-networked printers hooked up to USB ports. 8. A standalone printer prints a test page just fine, but it makes gobbledygook out of your term paper. What's probably wrong? A. Out of toner. B. Fuser error. C. Printer interface. D. Faulty software configuration. Answers: D. The application, software, that is trying to print is probably configured incorrectly. 9. What printing process uses heat-sensitive plastic film embedded with various color dyes? A. Dye sublimation. B. Inkjet. C. Ink dispersion. D. Dye dispersion. Answers: A. Dye sublimation. Printers use heat-sensitive plastic film embedded with various color dyes. 10. Which tool would help you determine why a print job didn't print? A. Printer driver. B. Printer setup. C. Print spooler. D. System setup. Answers. C. The print spooler can help you determine why a print job didn't print.